Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little first impressions of the Peak Cosmetics Modern Neutrals palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using this palette and hear my first impressions, then keep on watching. Alright, so today I wanted to do kind of a chatty first impressions video because I got this Peak Cosmetics Modern Neutrals 28 color eyeshadow palette. I bought this off of the Duval website. I do have a code with Duval, but I don't think it works with this. Duval makes really great skincare brushes and stuff like that. It's all linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But I saw this on their website and picked it up. It was on sale for $8, and I think it was originally $22. So that's a pretty good buy. It was over 50% off. This is one of those palettes that I can never open. This is what it looks like on the inside. The colors are really, really pretty. I really like them. So I'm excited to try it out. These shades don't have names, so that's kind of also why I wanted to do a little chatty video. So let's get started. So this palette does have a little bit of a mix of matte and shimmer. The shimmers aren't super vibrant and you're not going to be able to tell on camera, but I can kind of tell on person which is a shimmer and which isn't. Probably going to do something very warm and neutral because those are the shades that are just speaking to me right now. But there's also a little bit of a row that's kind of calling my name too, so I think I'm going to use those shades. So first I'm going to go in with this pinky shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease kind of as just my transition shade. It's like a mauve-y actually, so it's not really showing up. Oh yeah, you can maybe see it a little bit. It's really light, but it's a good transition color. So next I'm going to go in with this shade that I just used, this pinky one. Then I'm going to go in with the shade next to it, which is this orangey shade. And just going to mix those two together and pop them in the crease. Just build up that crease. Oh, this is pretty. The orange is nice. It's not too intense mac and cheese orange. It's a really, really nice orangey shade. It's almost kind of peachy, these two together, which I like. I've been really into the peachy looks lately. But so far I think these are really easy to blend out. There's nothing, they're not chalky or anything. They are really good. It's not skipping. You know how some shadows when you blend them they skip on your eye? That's not happening here. There is a little bit of kickback in the pan. That does not bother me. Next I'm going to go on with the pinky shade, this orange shade, and then this one in the crease. Blend them all out just to really deepen up that orange a little bit. Maybe give it some red in there or something. All right, this orangey shade is more of an orange, if you get what I'm saying. I like it. One of the shades though, I have a hair, might have been a shimmer. I don't know if you can tell, but something is looking a little shimmery, but I can't tell in the pants. That's the one weird thing about this palette is it's hard to tell which is a shimmer and which is not a shimmer. And it doesn't say on the back of the packaging either. Next, using this little Morphe 506 brush, which you guys need if you don't have it. It's probably one of the best brushes. I'm going in with this brown shade that's in the same row as the shades I've been using, and I'm just going to kind of add this to the crease to really deepen it up a little bit, just to add that depth and brown because it's looking very orange right now. So just going to add this in. I like to kind of swirl, like I'll do windshield and then swirl with this brush if I'm ever using it in the crease. I will say with this brown though, it works better if you swirl it and not so much windshield wiper. Next I'm going to go in with that M441 brush, the one I've been using, and just blend the crease together just so that brown shade doesn't look too harsh or anything. So now for the lid, I think I just want to do something like really plain. So I think I'm just going to go in with this like cream shade right here on my finger and just see which works best, swiping or patting on. Okay, swiping looks pretty good. These shadows are very creamy to the touch, like they're so soft and buttery. Next I'm taking this dome brush and then that brown shade again, and I'm just going to pat this on the outer V just to connect the eye, the lid, and the crease. I love warm smoky eyes like this. Like this is just such a go-to for me. They're just so basic, but they're just so pretty, you know? And I'm just going back in with that lid shade. So next I'm just gonna go in with a handy dandy makeup wipe and just kind of clean up the crease a little bit. I like to start at the corner of my eye and just like bring it up like that. I know it looks crazy right now, but once I finish up the rest of my makeup, it looks better. So then I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. It's like kind of as if you were to do like a wing eyeliner or something, you know? But I always like to clean up the inner corners as well. So next I'm going to take these 3 shades, or 4, I can't count, and I'm just going to run these along the lower lash line just to really complete the look. I'm not going to do any wing eyeliner or anything because I'm so not in the mood to do that today. Because if I mess it up, I'm just going to get really upset. And I don't want to deal. Alright, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup off camera and do my lips and all that. Alright, so this is I will be back with completed my final look thoughts on this palette. If you guys are wondering what my lip combo is, it is the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue. I got this in my August BOXYCHARM, and then the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. This is a really pretty lip combo. I really like it. Have not used this yet, so this is the first time I used it, and I really like it. So my first impressions of this palette, review, whatever, I really like it. I think it's a really nice palette. I like that there's 28 shades. As you can tell, some of the shades that I did use, there is a little bit of kickback, but like I said, that doesn't bother me. There wasn't any fallout on the face, which to me is a bigger deal than having some kickback in the pan. I think that this is totally worth it. I'm gonna use it some more. If you guys would like a more like in-depth swatch and review video after I've played around with the palette some more, let me know in the comments down below and I will get that up for you guys. But so far I really like it and would definitely recommend it. And that is it for my first impressions and demo of the Peak Cosmetics Modern Neutrals palette. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I will gladly do more in the future. It was really fun to do, and yeah, I definitely think I might want to do more, so let me know if you want more in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. If you're following me on all my social media and leaving comments on my videos, then that gives you a way to get a shout out in my next video. If you are unaware and don't know how to get a shout out, I'm going to tell you. You can either follow me on Twitter and just make sure you watch out for tweets that say retweet for a shout out, or follow me on Instagram, and I'll have like questions in a caption, or if you just comment on any of my pictures, you can get a shout out. Or if you're just leaving nice comments or video suggestions on my YouTube videos, that also gives you a shout out or a way to get a shout out in my next video. So today's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for your support, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.